Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I'm here to share my page to hashtag color and create with us you rock art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary's You Rock Art. She's doing this open collaboration this year of coloring in this coloring book, and I'm taking part in it. I thought it would be a great way to get back into coloring because I haven't touched my Copics in a very long time. um, and hopefully this will get me going. And so far, no, I haven't had a chance to use my Copics in a very long time. And I've been using color pencils throughout this book. So we'll see. So this week's page, let me share, and I lifted my camera so you can see the entire page. My other page that I did, I don't know, where is it? I don't think everybody saw the page completely, um, because my camera was down low and I was having trouble showing it. So I'm like, duh, Tereese, lift it up a little bit and then people can see the entire page. Anyway, so this is my page for this week. I used all different colors, not types of medium, because it's just color pencils that I like to use because I do not want it to bleed through. So I'm just using color pencils, They're inexpensive and you don't have to um, spend a lot of money on them. So I figured I'll just stick with the pencils and we'll go from there. Next week's page that Rosemary picked out is this page. Oh my gosh, I think that would be beautiful to pick to color. I haven't done a video in a while. I feel like I'm out of practice, but yeah, this is our page for next week. And yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. My daughter comes home today. I cannot wait. I miss her so much. And yeah, have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.